Are you excited to do this worksheet? Here is how you can do it. To do the first activity, you will need some thread or wool. First, help your child trace the lines with their finger. Then, use glue to stick the thread or wool on two of the lines. Encourage your child to trace the rest of the lines using some crayon or a pencil. Play a game with your child in the second activity. Draw a circle and a triangle on the floor using chalk or rangoli. Say the name of the shapes and ask your child to jump inside the shape that you name. In the third activity, help your child cut the circles and triangles. Then ask them to paste the circles in the box which has a circle and the triangles in the box which has a triangle. Play and learn and have fun.